Show that secant theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Take LHS. LHS. What is LHS? Secant theta minus tan theta whole square. Now, what is secant theta? Secant theta means 1 by cos theta. By cos theta minus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta or whole square. Take LCM. What is LCM? Cos theta. In numerator 1 minus sin theta whole square. Separate square numerator denominator 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. Now, what is cos square theta? From first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus means 1 square. Now, 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta means 1 square minus sin square theta. In denominator, see a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So substitute here 1 minus sin theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta cancel, remaining 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, that is RHS. Hence proved. See, sixth question, 4 marks question, very important. Prove that cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A is equals to sin A plus cos A. Take LHS. Cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. Now, what is the tan A means? Tan A means sin A by cos A. Cot A means cos A by sin A. Now, in place of cos A by 1 minus sin A by cos A plus sin A by 1 minus cos A by sin A. Now we see here, take LCM. Cos A by cos A minus sin A by cos A minus sin A plus sin A minus cos A by sin A. Now, we see here cos A, take upside, so now cos A, take upside, cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin into sin square A by sin A minus cos A. Here, see here I am taking minus common. cos square a by cos a minus sin a minus common sin square a. I am taking minus common cos a minus sin a. Now see here cos square a by cos a minus sin a plus into minus minus sin square a by cos square a minus sin a. Now in denominator LCM same cos a minus sin a. So write denominator as it is cos square a minus sin square a. It is a square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square. This is a very important formula in every problem. Every problem comes this. Now cos a minus sin a into cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. Cos a minus sin a into cos a minus sin a. Cancel. Answer is cos a plus sin a, that is equals to RHS. See here, seventh question. Show that cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 2 secant theta. Take LHS. Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Take LCM. 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Okay. Here 1 minus sin theta, so multiply with cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square plus cos theta, so multiply this 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta whole square. Now see here cos square theta a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, 1 square minus 2 into 1 into sin theta plus b square. B square means sin square by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Now cos square theta, cos sin square theta. From identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 sin 2 into 1 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Now 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Now 2 take common, 2 in plus 2 is outside, so 1 minus 2 is outside, remaining is sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. 1 minus sin theta cancel, 2 by cos theta. Cos theta, what is cos theta means 1 by secant theta, means secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Here 1 by cos theta means 2 secant theta, that is RHS. If Eighth question: if cosec A is equals to root 2, then find the value of 2 sin square A plus 3 cot square A by 4 tan square A minus cos square A. Here see given cosec A is equals to root 2 means what is the formula of cosec theta? Hypotenuse by opposite. Here value of opposite is 1. What is right given right angle triangle angle A x y z triangle. Here it is hypotenuse, it is adjacent side of angle, it is the opposite side to the angle. So hypotenuse value is root 2, opposite value is 1. We don't know adjacent value. From Pythagoras theorem, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse value root 2 whole square, opposite value is 1 square, adjacent side. Root square cancel, 2 1 square means 1, adjacent square is equals to take 1 that side, 2 minus 1, adjacent value is 1 means adjacent square, 1 square means adjacent value is 1. This is the value of adjacent 1. This is the opposite, this is hypotenuse. Now in question, see here sin value, sin A. What is sin A formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite value? 1. 1 by hypotenuse root 2. Now we see here tan value. Cos value is first. Cos A is equals to adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent value? 1. Opposite root hypotenuse 1 by root 2. Now tan A value. What is tan A formula? Opposite by adjacent. 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Cot A. Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent value 1, opposite value 1 means 1. Now these all values substitute in this. 2 sin square A by plus 3 cot square A by 4 tan square A minus cos square A. Substitute all the values of sin, cos, tan, cot. What is the sin value? 2 into 1 by root 2 square, 3 into 1 square by 4 into tan value 1 square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Now see here, 2 into 1 by root 2 means 1 by 2, square root cancel, plus 3 into 1 square means 3 by 4, 1 square value 1, 1 by root 2 value is 1 by 2, square root cancel. So 2 cancel, 1 plus 3 by 4. Now 2 minus 1 by 2. See here, 4 by 4 into 1 by 2. 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the. Answer is 2. This is the answer for this problem.